What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you guys here how to clean your comfort zone box stand. I just see it as some poop stains on there, so I'm gonna clean that off. Has some cat hair on there. By the way, I'll show you guys here. Hold on, leave it up, put up front. Sorry, it's a little faded, so I'm gonna keep that. So today I'm gonna show you guys here how to clean it. So today, make sure it is unplugged. Make sure it's unplugged. Make sure you unplug your fan. So make sure you unplug your fan. Here's tools that you need: screwdriver, Clorox wipes, or other stuff. So here's what you need. All you need, make sure here. So, by the way, I'm gonna use this sanitary toys that broke. So broke. Please use a little bit. Please make it damp. So use like a Clorox wipe. So make sure you do that. Make sure you clean the outside first. I'm gonna show you this here. So in case like teachers, in case you're teaching in class or you need it clean, so it's really dust. So get like a Clorox wipe, and so clean it. Make sure you clean it all over. Please not move any of that stickers. Please not. So I'm gonna show you guys. Make sure you clean the outside first. Make sure no stains on there. So make sure there are no stains on there. Make sure there are no stains on there. So make sure you clean outside first. First thing you need to do, all you need is a screwdriver or a power drill or other. So all you need is this, like a long screwdriver. Use this power drill. I know, please. So wait here. So you have to require an adult to do this. Hold on. Alright, so sorry. Alright. Just make sure it's tight there. Is actually gonna fall off? Hold on. Oops. There we go. Make sure you Alright, make sure you use a cup. By the way, make sure you use a cup so you don't lose screws. Alright, so so. Please make sure you be very careful. There's wires there. Okay, alright, there you go. Make sure it's turned off. Make sure it's all the way off. And boom, now you work. Alright, please make sure here. Alright, here's what you got. Do not clean the electrode. Please do not get that wet because it'll get damaged. It'll stop working and will not turn on. Anyway, make sure you clean the blades first. Clean the blades first. Anyway, clean the blades first. Anyway, make sure you clean the blades first. Make sure you clean the blades first. Before you move on, make sure you clean the blades first. So, here it goes. Make sure you clean up all the stains from the plastic side. So, sure you take it apart. Hold on. Make sure it's turned off here. Alright, do not mess with the switch. By the way, do not control or mess with the switch. So, just leave it how it is. When you take it apart, leave it how it is. So, now we can. So, I'm not gonna. Don't take that blade off. Please do not take it off. So, you may. Do not unwire anything. So, do not unplug anything. But you can just clean. Like an air spray here. So anyway, by the way, do not here. Alright, so make sure you use that. Alright. Make sure you clean the backside too. Alright, make sure you clean the back of the blade. So make sure you clean the back. Say do not get the wires wet because they do not like to be wet. So do not do that. Alright, now we're going to do off. Please make sure it is off. Put the switch back on. And when you're done cleaning, put the switch back on. Alright, stick in these screws. Stick in these screws first. Here's a tip for you guys, and tips. Just clean these screws first. Anyway, there's that screw. Snap. Make sure you don't lose all the screws. Snap. I hope the cats don't eat it. If you have cats, please make sure they don't eat the screws. If you have cats and dogs that tear up the house, do not let them eat the screws. So, here's a tip. Switch right here. And I'm going to show you guys here how to get these screws back in. So, if you're here, here's some tips here. Alright, I hope it works. Come on, screw. Make sure your screws get in properly. Oh, snap. Oops, sorry. Do not get them too tight. Do not do it while the power is on. It will be very dangerous. So, anyway, here it goes. And the last screw. Sorry, I cannot find the last screw for now. Oh, I have to get another screw. Come on. Now the last screws. Now, make sure you please get the last screw and repeat. And repeat the same thing and repeat the process. Anyway. And now we're done. As we're done cleaning. As we're done cleaning. Plug it in. Turn it on. And boom, all clean. Make sure you do not miss any spots. And boom, Boom, all clean. Now you've done it. Now you've cleaned a comfortable box fan here. So, okay, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. And bye.